Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in West Sussex in the UK, and I'm going to come on to demonstrate one of these cards. It's a simple fancy fold, and I'm not sure what this fold is called, but it's rather sweet, I think. I learnt it in, was taught how to make it by Emma Goddard from Coastal Crafters, and I thought I would come on and recreate it, but with the Sweet Stockings DSP. This used DSP that from Celebration, which has recently end of September, so I thought I would show you a different version of it. So I'm going to use a sentiment out of Sweet Little Stockings. It does come with a fabulous die set. There's 22 dies in here, but I'm going to use the designer series paper, and this is fun. Now I've used up all of one sheet, but you get 2 sheets of 6 designs. As with all of our designer series paper, it is double-sided, so you've got cute little animals, goldfish, cat, dog, lovely print on the back. The dies actually cut these stockings out, so if you didn't want to stamp the stockings, you could just die cut them. Lovely starry sky. This is fabulous. I love this. I've actually cut one of those, and a lovely colour print on the back. Fabulous. That's Pool Party, and these are amazing. And again, as I say, I am missing one of the designs, but I've got that included in my card. So this is what I'm using, and I've already cut the papers. So this is the one that you didn't see, and it's got some cute little figures, and then that I used that on some cards that I made at my last class. So this is Cherry Cobbler base, and it is a standard base. Now normally I work in centimetres, but today, just because of where the score lines are, I'm in inches. So this is 5 7/8 by 8 1/4, so it's basically half a sheet of A4, and I have scored at 2 inches, 3 inches, and I've done 2 and 3 inches. I've cut 2 pieces of DSP for the sides, and they are 1 7/8 by 5 3/4. Now all of the measurements for this will be on my blog, and there'll be a link below. And then I've got another piece of the DSP that is cut for that central piece, and this is 2 1/8 by 5 3/4. And then I've got an exact same size, 2 1/8, 5 3/4, and that's for the back, so that you've got space to write your sentiment. Now I've already die cut from a piece of basic white, so basic white, a label, and this is with, you'll see this featured in a lot of my projects because I just think this is wonderful. It's the largest label from Hippo and Friends. It's really lovely, and it's got this dotted stitched edge, which is fabulous. And then I have die cut, fussy cut 2 of the figures from the DSP. So very simple, and then we can put it all together. So I've got some blue on my blending brush already, and I'm just going to, let's see how much is on there. Not a lot, a little bit actually. It's quite a dark blue. I'm just going to add some Pool Party. And it's just to help those from not sort of floating in, well, they are floating in thin air, but anyway. So today I'm filming this, and it is World Card Making Day. So I hope well, you'll be watching this on the Sunday, so hopefully you'll have all had a good day making some cards, or a crafty weekend. So I'm happy with that. Yep. And I'm just going to get some liquid glue. So this is going to be a super quick video. This is Very Merry, which I think is appropriate. So we'll put him there. And I just love the look on this cat's face. I'm going to have her sitting there, very merry. Just think that's a great. So let's quickly stick on. I'm just going to get my bone folder. And score. Let's get that out of the way. So I've done mountain, valley. That may have black all over my hands. So that is the basic fold there, very simple. Pop those back like that. And my glue is going to run out. Keep going as long as we can. I've always got spares. It is blowing a hoolie outside today. So it's what we call in the UK a duvet day. Those there. Hopefully my hair's not flashing into view. Lovely. I'm going to stick that on there, and I think these cards are really lovely and quick to make. So you could make quite a lot of them, but they look really different. And then I'm going to, actually you could raise this up on dimensionals, but I am just going to stick glue on the middle bit, and I want to stick him and her up there. And then let's have a look. These are the Elegant Faceted Gems. Doesn't really need them, but there we go. That's that one, and that's that one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye for now.